Hello friends and welcome back to another gardening video. Today I am going to show how you can easily graft these purslane plants on a jade plant. And this grafting I had done some time ago and I got a few flowers also. So for this very easy grafting, all you need is a healthy jade plant. As you know, jade plants don't flower very quickly, and if you wish to have some flowers also around your jade plant, then this is one technique which you can use, and you can graft a few moss rose plants on the jade plant so that some flowers are also visible on this plant. So that was my thought when I thought of this grafting. So in this manner I removed the central part, and you can choose any color of purslane that you want. I had these deep pink reddish ones and these yellow ones. So I chose the yellow one for the grafting purpose, and what I'm going to do is make a V shape on the stem of this purslane so that I can put it inside the jade cutting which I had done. So in this manner, make it thinner so that it can go inside that jade stem. And once this is done, all you need to do is, just like any regular grafting, you have to put this inside that V which you created on the jade plant, and you have to tie it up for around a fortnight, and by that time the grafting would be attaching itself. So in this manner I am going to put it in, and I am going to use a piece of sellotape to tie it up tightly first. After I have tied it tightly with the sellotape, I am going to give it some more additional support, and I'll be using a piece of polythene and wrapping it around tightly so that the grafting is a success. This kind of grafting of two different kind of succulents on each other, it is not going to destroy the jade plant, but yes, from my experience I saw that the purslane grew much more quickly, so I had to trim it off in between. And in this manner I had done the grafting and I kept it, and within a day or two the plant was pretty much healthy, so I knew that the graft was going to be a success. So after 15 days, when I removed the polythene cover and the sellotape, this is the result which I got. I found that the purslane had grafted very nicely on the jade plant. It was a little bit difficult to remove the sellotape because I just felt that the graft might come off along with it, but I somehow removed it without tearing apart the graft. But while cutting the sellotape, as usual, I cut a little bit of the jade plant also on the other side, which I am going to show you right now. Over here you can see that greenish bit that was done by me when I was removing the sellotape. Using a blade I had first cut it off. Anyway, the graft was okay, so I think it is a success for me. And after a few days I also started seeing that the purslane had started giving tiny bud also, and once the bud forms, that means it is definitely a good graft. And within a day or two the bud grew bigger, and here is the tiny bud which had formed after some days. You can see it is growing nicely, taking nutrition from the jade plant, and the jade plant is also pretty much healthy. It has not been damaged much, and this tiny bud, it grew bigger and it bloomed the next day. So this grafting gave me 3-4 flowers by the time I had recorded this video. This was one of the fun graftings that I did, and I hope you liked this video and enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.